Hey there, take a look at this beautiful looking espresso machine I received. It comes with the directions. Make sure to read this manual before you start. You want to make sure and use espresso, dark, roasted beans, no light beans. They tend to get stuck in here. It comes with your little case for your beans, which has that silicone suction to keep that oil into your beans and keep them fresh, which I love. It comes with all of the accessories, a larger water tank, which is perfect, and this light up LED screen, which makes it so classy. So I'm going to try this out and let you know what I think. Here is your larger water tank and all the accessories that I was talking about. It's kind of cool. Inside here, you'll have a little brush right there that you can take out for cleaning and store right back in there. Here is the packer for the espresso after it is grinded, and your LED screen, which has so much to offer: temperature button, espresso button, single espresso, double espresso, but just read up on it, many different uses. So I'm so excited to use this. Let's try it out. Okay, I love on the side, it gives you your little grind setting tips. So according to my taste, I will go probably right about there. And here she is, all finished, and I must say that espresso is rich and the cream is creamy, and this tastes amazing.